Hey everyone, welcome back to Quality Quest Reviews. I'm Donnie, and today we're diving into my top 5 tech product picks that have blown me away lately. From powerful mini PCs to unique accessories, it's all here in this video. Ever wished you had a desktop-level powerhouse in the size of a book, or a PC case that's both badass and shows off your internals? Hang tight, because those dreams are about to come true. I've picked these 5 products based on performance, innovation, unique design, and real-world user experience. I've personally tested most of these, so these reviews are based entirely on my personal opinions. And now, let's jump right into the first product on our list. This is the MINISFORUM MS-A1, a bare-bones mini PC, which means you'll need to add your own CPU, RAM, and SSD. It might be daunting for beginners, but it's a dream for DIY enthusiasts. Its strength lies in its extremely flexible upgradability. 2 DDR5 slots, an M.2 PCIe 4.0 slot for SSD, and support for AMD AM5 socket CPUs. Awesome. Cooling is not an issue. The dual-fan 4-heat pipe system keeps the device cool. Cons. Being bare bones, you'll need to source and assemble the components yourself, but it's also an opportunity to build a PC to your liking. Personal experience. I think this is perfect for those who want a compact, powerful PC for light gaming or graphics work. The upgradability is a big plus. Rating, 8.5/10, an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts. Next up is the Genmachin AMD 7840HS, a compact beast powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS CPU. This chip is so powerful you can play AAA games at high settings without any issues. Pros. Outstanding performance, DDR5 RAM, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, genuine Windows 11. Cons. The design is a bit basic. Personal experience. I tried playing Cyberpunk 2077 on this, and the results were impressive. The game ran smoothly, without lag. Rating 9/10, a top choice for gamers. The ACEMAGIC AD08 is a true gaming mini PC powered by an Intel Core i9-11900H. A standout feature is its eye-catching RGB lighting system and performance customization. Pros. Powerful performance, beautiful RGB lighting, 3 operating modes, silent, auto, performance, excellent cooling. Cons. The price is a bit high. Personal experience. I love this RGB system. It adds excitement when gaming. The performance is unquestionable. It handles any game. Rating 8.8/10, a worthwhile choice for gamers and streamers. The SOCOOLER PC Case is an open case with an extremely unique design. If you want to show off your PC build, this is the choice for you. Pros. Unique design, high-quality aluminum material, excellent cooling. Cons. No dust filter. Personal experience. I love this design. It makes my PC stand out a lot. However, you need to clean it often as there is no dust filter. Rating 8/10 for those who like to show off their PC. Finally, we have the ACEMAGIC S1, a unique mini PC with an LCD screen displaying system information and RGB lighting. This is not just a computer, but also a decorative piece. Pros. LCD screen, RGB lighting, compact design, easy to upgrade. Cons. Performance is not very strong, suitable for office work and light entertainment. Personal experience. I love the LCD screen. It displays very useful information. The compact design also saves workspace. Rating 8.2, a unique and practical mini PC. So we've gone through my top 5 tech product picks that impressed me the most. I hope this video has provided you with useful information to choose the right product for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to not miss other exciting tech product review videos. I've included the product purchase links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.